Welcome to this Nespresso assistance video on directions for use for your VertuoLine machine. To enjoy a perfect cup of Nespresso at any time, we suggest you follow some simple instructions. The quality of water is essential for enhancing the aroma of your coffee, so we suggest you refill the water tank on a daily basis using fresh drinking water. If the machine has not been in use for more than 9 minutes, it will automatically turn off to reduce energy consumption. Press the button to activate the machine. During the preheating phase, the button gradually illuminates for 15 seconds. To prepare a coffee, wait till the light stops blinking. Place a large cup holding at least 7.77 ounces or 230 milliliters under the coffee outlet if you want a coffee. If you prefer an espresso, simply lift the cup support and place a fitted cup holding at least 1.35 ounces or 40 milliliters. Unlock and completely open the machine. Insert a VertuoLine capsule with the dome shape at the bottom. Close the machine head and lock it by turning the lever left to the lock symbol. Press the button to start. The coffee will automatically stop. During the flow phase, you can stop it at any time by pressing the button. You can manually increase your cup volume by pressing the button again. Press again to stop. After every use, it is important to remove the used VertuoLine capsule and not let it remain in the extraction system. Turn the lever to the right and open the machine to automatically eject the capsule. To turn the machine off, press and hold the button for 3 seconds. To maintain the optimum temperature and quality of your coffee, descale your machine when the light blinks 3 times in intervals. We suggest that you do not use vinegar as it may damage the connections of your machine. We recommend you use an Espresso descaling solution specifically designed for your machine.
My Cafe MCU comes with 4 separate drawers: a cup drawer, a ground coffee drawer, a pod drawer, and a water drawer. Each drawer is designed to work with different formats, so you decide what and how you want to brew. We're going to demonstrate on how to brew with any drawer using My Cafe. First, choose what drawer you would like to use. I'll use the cup drawer for demonstration. Insert the appropriate coffee tea format. Slide the drawer into the brewer and lock into place. Next, you'll want to open the spin lid and pour in your desired amount of water. You can brew between 4 to 14 ounces. I'm brewing with 10 ounces of water. After you pour in the water, close the spin lid and position the cup on the drip tray. It's important that the cup you brew into is larger than the amount of water you just poured inside the brewer. If you want a bolder brew or for tea, you'll first push the pulse button to activate it and then press the brew button. Pulse starts and stops the flow of water several times during the brew cycle and extends the contact time for a bolder result in the cup. For this demonstration, we will turn off the pulse brew. Now you are ready to brew. To brew, simply push brew button. At the end of the brew cycle, remove the cup from the drip tray. Please note that you can remove the drip tray to brew into taller cups or a travel mug. Finally, you'll want to remove the drawer. Push down on the button on the drawer handle and pull out the drawer along the drawer guides. Once removed, you can dispose of the used coffee or tea format. You've just brewed on My Cafe. For additional instructions,